Good afternoon, families. It is Thursday, January 9th, and I'm coming to you with our Scientist Report week for the week. We'll go right off with our top two. So, starting Monday, Lake Bluff is collecting cereal boxes for part of a food drive for needy families. If that is something that you and your family would like to support, please consider donating full boxes, unopened, of cereal, as they will be used when we are all done to create a gigantic all-school domino line. Very exciting. Also, next week, Lake Bluff's Winter Fastbridge testing window opens. So, students are going to be participating in very similar brain measuring activities that we did in the fall. So, as always, please help your student get a very good night's sleep and support a very well-rested brain as we get ready to measure our growth and progress. Now, let's just get into the rest of the vlog points for the week. In a couple of weeks, on Monday, January 20th, we'll have no school in observance of Martin Luther King Day. And that Friday, January 24th, there is no school for Teacher Records Day. So just know that that's coming up, and please be aware. In English language module block, this week our students continued to write and revise their very first Pourquoi tale, a fictionalized tale about a chosen animal and how it got a certain special trait. Tomorrow, on Friday, we will celebrate that learning by sharing our original writings with all of the class. We also have had our very first homework this week for module, which of course looked like this and is due tomorrow, doing some adjective practice using comparative and superlative adjectives. So hard, harder, hardest, and whatnot. So thank you very much. Very exciting. Moving into math, students completed the second module of our Eureka Math curriculum, and we'll begin Module 3 with Miss Miller right here next week, Monday. So you should have a workbook coming home that is all done and completed. So moving into Unit 3, students are going to be learning about Units 3s and 4s and how those will help solve with Units 6s and 8s, and continue using very familiar strategies such as breaking apart, distributing strategies, and representation things like arrays, equal groups, and tape diagrams, which will support students multiplying with larger factors. Students will also begin to use a letter to represent unknown valued numbers in modeled equations, which of course we all know is algebraic representation of unknown numbers. Woohoo! Algebra. Very exciting. Now, in social studies, today we celebrated our first People's Social Studies unit by having all of our third grade class do a gallery walk, which is walking around and observing each other's culminating final projects. So we had a museum exhibit project where students were creating an exhibit around one of the first peoples that we had investigated: Paleo, Archaic, Woodland, Neanderthal, and students walked around and then gave positive feedback on the work that they did. Now, this was fantastic and really, really cool, so I can't wait for those things to be graded. Poor Miss Miller, she's got so much to do, and that will come home. But next up, we move into science. Starting tomorrow, we move into our investigation of the 3 main states of matter. So I'm very excited. So I hope you are happy. I hope you are healthy. I hope you've had a fantastic break. Please, please, please stay warm. Please send students with warm things. We're wonderfully noticing there's a terrible norovirus going around that is not fun to have. So please stay healthy. Please keep students wearing warm, wonderful things. And Happy New Year. It's our first vlog of 2025. So I will see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.